Hey everybody, welcome back. Now, do you have a normal wallet? Maybe you're carrying around something leather. This is the smallest I've been able to find. Just kind of a bifold. It's got a cash strap, a couple cards inside, a little elastic pouch for the cards on the other side, and one major one that you're going to use all the time. This is probably the slimmest I've found. Now, I went ahead, had an invite from Ridge, you know Ridge, and they're like, we got something stylish we want you to try out. So they sent out this new really cool slim RFID blocking wallet in the carbon fiber 3K. And they also included an additional money clip that you can install as well. But this one comes with the cash strap. So we're going to take a look at this, and then we're going to see how many cards we can get in there. Now, this Ridge wallet comes in so many colors, so many great things. Get a little sticker, which is pretty awesome. You get a little design for life tag. They are guaranteed for life. So you can see right there. Also, getting started, their instructions are complicated. We don't do complicated. They don't like those. So they said, just empty your wallet, keep what you need, toss the rest. Put your cards in the notch, fan them open. Keep your two most used cards at the front and back to maximize accessibility. Use the included Torque screwdriver to make modifications to the wallet, like swap from the money clip to the cash strap, those kind of things. So either way, some really cool, very simple. Look how beautiful that is, just sitting there waiting to be used. You got additional T5 Torque screws just in case you need a little bit of extra, and they include the screwdriver, which is really cool. So let's take a look at this overall. This is your cash strap back here. This is how slim it is, and comparison-wise, you can already see the difference, right? Now, we are going to put some cards in this one to try to equal it out just to see, but here's your size comparison already, how slim it's going to be in the pocket. Now, I will tell you, stay tuned because there might be a giveaway included in this. So either way, let's go ahead. Let's see what we can do. Now, they include a little insert so you kind of get an idea. You just push through the notch here. That card comes out, right? You're good to go. Now, we do have some cards here. So let's empty out. And I want to keep, so I found some gift cards and some other stuff. We want to keep a comparison in here because overall, I truly want to know like the thickness comparison when we get this loaded up. So to get your cards in, you can add them one by one. You can even just grab a grip of them like this. I guess I'm putting them on the wrong side. Okay, so learning lesson number one. I was like, oh, the notch is easy, but that's where the elastic is that helps hold it all together. So right here, we're already loading up at least half of what I have in this one already, and you can see there's still a crazy amount of difference between the two, which is incredible. Now, overall, we're going to go through some stats on this one really quick. Holds 1 to 12 cards without stretching out. Now, it does have a blocking RFID system built in to prevent that wireless theft. This carbon fiber, scratch resistant, lifetime warranty. They have a 99-day risk-free trial. You don't like it, send it back, no questions asked, you're good to go. Replacement screws and elastic are available. That obviously you saw what they already included. The carbon fiber 3K weave, premium grade matte finish, as you can see, in multiple different lights, and it just looks incredible. I really like this. The weight on this one, 1.6 ounces before you load it up. Overall dimensions, 86 by 54 by 6 millimeters. Now cost, it can range because we talked about the different materials that they have. You can get them for as low as $65. I'm going to run through the list. This one I think retails at $150. We're also going to talk about some other stuff that they have available on their website, which is incredible. Matching sets of things. But colors and materials available for this wallet: the carbon fiber 3K, forged carbon fiber, burnt titanium, stonewashed titanium, brass, which I gotta say, the burnt titanium looks pretty awesome, including the stonewash, midnight black leather, tobacco brown leather, which you're gonna get some wear out of it, like your leather products, so that's awesome, alpine navy aluminum, matte olive aluminum, royal black aluminum, base camp orange aluminum, gunmetal aluminum, hyper lime aluminum, very bright, very in your face. The orange and the lime are just popping. A polar white aluminum and a voodoo green aluminum. That voodoo is just popping out. So overall, like they said, you just push that notch, you get your cards, you can get your, most popular ones right out the front. Boom, you're good to go. Maybe you got your, one that you use every day. I got to get used to using this. But either way, you pop it out, you're good to go. I know several of you commented that you already use the Ridge wallets, and that's awesome. Now, there is going to be a link below. You can get a little discount. How easy can we get cash in here? There you go. Your cash strap works incredible. Now you can fold this up even more. I just did a single fold so you can see what it looks like. The bills are even bigger than the wallet, so you are going to probably want to fold them up a little bit more. So let's do that. Let's do one more fold. You got your favorite cash in there. Of course, these are just some ones, so you can go out and have some fun. But look how minimalistic that is. Everyday carry accessories that you can add to your wallet purchase are awesome. Now, they carry pens. They carry a new everyday folder, which they have it in a carbon fiber, an orange. It looks incredible. It's $150. Go check that out as well. They got a good warranty on that. iPhone cases, key cases, watches, razors, and different apparel. Now, you can build a package with like their key cases, the everyday folder, and a wallet, and you're set. You kind of have everything you need for everyday carry. This is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and see what we have included here for the money clip, and we'll see how that goes on. Of course, uses and instruction manuals. This is pretty easy right out the gate. Nicely packaged. Just got to get in there and grab it, and you can see where it's going to attach. So you can take this off and you can insert this and put it right on. So it's going to be on this back side, and it's going to be tied in with obviously your hex and not hex, your Torx screws. It'll be clipped right in there. Now this is made from a spring steel, so it will hold nicely. But let me know down in the comments, are you using this or the money clip, or are you using this cash strap? Because I really like the cash strap idea. It's super minimalistic. You put everything in there. You just want to pull stuff out. Good, taken care of. You can span through all your stuff and go, oh, he likes his Seahawks for sure, 100%. You can open this up easily, as you can see. Stuff all your cards in there. Right back in there. Held super secure. It's not going to fall out. So let me hold it by the cash strap. And just so you can see, the cash strap is the only thing moving with your money. None of the cards are moving. So that's really, really incredible. So now once the cash strap is secure, there's nothing. So you can throw this in your bag. You can throw it in your pocket. It's going to drop right in there. And size-wise comparison, like I said, I mean, come on now. Now, this is pretty minimalistic, but overall, even adding a few cards to that, it's going to be just as slim and a smaller overall footprint. So go ahead, check out the link below, get yourself a discount. But for a giveaway topic, let me know once you go click the link and go look at all of the colors. Let me know what your favorite color material is for this Ridge wallet. I really appreciate you checking this out. Don't forget hashtag DSKFS, which is do something kind for someone. Have an awesome rest of your day, but most importantly, take care.